loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl chanellenovosey. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bouquet for your wedding using flowers. Last time we did a bouquet, it was using all brooches. I will be incorporating just a few in today's DIY, but mostly I wanted to stick to the red and the gold theme that we've been doing on this series. So here's a list of what you'll need for today's DIY. So I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I've already went ahead and I cut 2 of the bouquets already. So inside of here I have a total of, so you'll be needing 13 bouquets of flowers in total. So if you've been a fan of my YouTube channel for a while, you already know my process. I'm going to take my flowers and cut down about 2 inches on all of the bouquets. So next what you're going to do is take a styrofoam ball. This is a 6.7 inch styrofoam ball. I got this from Michael's. I wanted to go smaller. I know on my other arrangements I usually use an 8 inch. That's actually quite big. And most brides don't want like a massive big bouquet because it's going to cover the dress up. We're going to keep it simple, and I'm going to use a 6.7 inch styrofoam ball. I'm going to add all of my florals onto here. Now I only cut out 11 of the bouquets because the ball isn't that big. So I left 2 of them without being cut. So I'm going to just leave those there. So if you've been watching me for a while, you already know my style. I'm going to take my styrofoam ball and add all of my flowers to it. So here's what it looks like once I went ahead and I added my flowers all the way around. Now I left the bottom part open because I'm going to add my handle onto that, but I'm also going to be putting some gold ribbon around the top of it. So let me show you how to do that. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this gold ribbon that I got from Walmart, but you can get this from any craft store, and I'm going to fold it over, okay? And it's going to go on the bottom of the bouquet like this, and we're going to have a lot of those going all the way around. So you just want to cut about this amount and double it up, and you're going to hot glue them together and then add them to your styrofoam ball. I'll show you. You'll cut it and then you'll add your hot glue right in the inside and adhere them together. So you'll just create probably like 10 of these. I'm just going to start off with 10 and see if that's going to be enough. You want to cover up all of the styrofoam. That's the goal here. So I'm going to make 10 of these little ribbon things right here, and hopefully that does the trick to go all the way around. If not, we'll just make more. Next, you're going to take a paper towel holder. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I like to use these that are inside of the BLICK wrap. Anytime I get done with them, I recycle them. I have a whole bin down there of these. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to add it into the center of my styrofoam ball, and then we'll add the ribbon right on top. So after you went ahead and you made your indentation, you're going to remove your paper towel holder and you're going to add glue all the way around there, and then put the paper towel holder back inside of there and add glue all the way around that. Next, what you're going to do is take a little bit of your gold ribbon and you're going to place it over the bottom of your holder. You're going to do it on both sides so it can cover it up. So take some hot glue and you'll add it to the side of the handle. Then you'll add a little piece of your gold ribbon right on top of there. Okay, and then you'll fold it over and you'll hot glue the other side down. You'll take your other piece of your ribbon and you'll do the same thing on the other side. Next, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your little ribbons that you made and you're going to adhere them down to the styrofoam ball, and you're just going to touch like right here to the flowers, okay? And then this part here is going to be adhered down to the handle. We'll go back through and we'll put ribbon all the way around it. I'll show you. I'm gonna make about 3 more of these so I can go ahead and cover up all of the styrofoam. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take some more of your gold ribbon and you're going to wrap it around your handle. I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up to the top. So next, I'm going to take some of my brooches that I got from Totally Dazzled, and I'll have the link over to their store in the description box. And I'm basically just going to open these up and I'm going to stick them inside of the bouquet. Now what you can do to adhere them down is add some wiring around the center of the brooch and then poke that right into there, or you can hot glue these down. Just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to poke these into the bouquet like that. Okay, and I'll do that to a few parts and then I'll add some of them to the handle using hot glue. So I added 3 of the brooches to the bouquet and I tucked them in so it looks really pretty with them kind of hidden inside of the roses, okay? I like that look a lot. So I'm just going to take a few of the flat ones and just add them to the front of the handle. And here is the finished product. I love this. It's elegant, it's beautiful, it has some really beautiful touches to it. I'm really loving this. It's matching the decor that I'm doing for my YouTube series. If you are new, make sure to check out the other videos. I'm doing a gold and a red theme wedding, and I'm going to be setting the table and showing you what everything looks like once I'm complete with everything. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay tuned for that. Also hit the notification bell. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next DIY. Bye.